Ok, bonjour classe. Aujourd'hui, c'est mercredi le 22 août. And today, we went over our days of the week and our months of the year, and we also counted to 100. I gave the notes to the class, and we glued them onto page 5 of our interactive notebook. So, let's go ahead and pronounce les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine. Days of the week. Lundi, lundi. Mardi, mardi. Mercredi, mercredi. Jeudi, jeudi. Vendredi, vendredi. Samedi, samedi. Dimanche, dimanche. Now, something interesting about the days of the week is that the French calendar, when it is printed, lundi is what is printed first, whereas our U.S. calendar always starts with dimanche, Sunday. That's because they believe that Monday, since Monday begins the work week, that should be what is the first day of the week. Whereas we think of the first day of the week being Sunday, even though very few people actually work that day. Okay. Les mois de l'année. Les mois de l'année. The months of the year. Janvier. Janvier. Février. Février. Mars. Mars. Avril. Avril. Mai. Mai. Juin. Juin. Juillet. Juillet. Août. Août. Septembre. Septembre. Octobre. Octobre. Novembre. Novembre. Décembre. Décembre. Voici les mois de l'année. Now we have the numbers. We have them in word and we have them in numeral form. Okay? On va compter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wait, the little thingies on there. 20 is down at the bottom. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and on the bottom, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Now before I move on, in case you didn't notice, all of the tens repeated just like they do in English. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and so forth. And then when we got to 30 with 30, it repeated. And we counted 1 to 9 in French. Same thing with 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, and we went to 50. And then 60 did the same thing. But notice when we get to 70, look what still repeats, 60, but instead of starting over at 1 here, we are continuing counting for the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and so on. Because 60, which is 60, and 10, which is 10, when you add them together, it gives you 70. So that's where they get it from. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 78, 77, 78, 79, 80. All right. Then we're here at 81. 81. We've started over because we've made a new number. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Notice what happened. Just like 60 to 70, the 10s stay the same. So did 80 to 90. We still have the same 10s, 80, but look what happened when we go from 89 to 90. It continues, 9, 10, 11, and so forth, because 80 plus 10 makes 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, or 99, 100. And so that is what we did for our numbers, our days, and our months. Another thing we did once we practiced our days, months, and numbers is we remembered, or we reviewed, and then for those who were new, we learned how to say what the date is, ask what the date is in French. Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? What's the date today? And we copied that on page 2 of our interactive notebook under more useful words and phrases. And then we also copied how to answer. C'est le, and in today's case it was 22, so c'est le 22 août. So anytime we say the date in French, we always have to put the number first and then the month. We know that in the U.S. we put the month first and then the day, but here it's the day first and then the month, and it's c'est le. This is the 22nd of August. C'est le 22 août. And we wrote this down on page 2. Another question that I asked was, quel jour sommes-nous? Quel jour sommes-nous? What day is it? And then to answer that question in a complete sentence, we said nous sommes, and then in today's case, mercredi. Nous sommes mercredi. So this was how we wrote it out on how to say the day. So we wrote this question down and what it meant. Quel jour sommes-nous? What day is it? And then nous sommes, and then we drew a blank because obviously not every day is Wednesday. We also copied in our notes, quel temps fait-il? Now, for regular French 2, we did not get to seasons and weather, but tomorrow we will. So I had them copy in their notebooks, quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like? And then tomorrow we're going to be going over these types of weather. And we're going to do a little activity that shows what all of these mean. So that's basically what we did today. Feel free to come see me if you were absent today, and I will make sure that you get to see the video. Thank you. Au revoir.